talk today about the REST API and how to use REST API in web service and integrate it with InTouch application. Let's use OpenWeather API, which have all condition and all forecasting weather about country. I will take this API in web server to apply it. I will put latitude and longitude of every country or any country, and I will see what is the output of this API. When I open the web service configuration, I will find that there is a REST API. I will put my API here and I will make the latitude and the longitude between greater than or less than braces. And I will make analyze. When you will make analyze, this parameter will come here and we can put a default value here. If you need to configure authentication credential, you can enable it and make configuration. What is the type of this API? It is get. I need to get the data from this API. What is the header? You can configure it here. What is the body? You can configure it here. You can test your API from this button. It is the response which carry all of the data that you have this API. I will need only the temperature and the name of the city and the country. Let's make export for these tags to be in device item by clicking here. When you go to device item, you'll find that all of tags are here. When you open the window maker, you will find that I make the new access name called REST API, which will connect to web service or web server that we configure it in SMC, which is this name between these dots, web SVC. Let's make closed, and I configured multiple of tags. I configured latitude and longitude, which will have IO real, which will take the access name from REST API. And I configured also country name, which have also access name from REST API, and I configured also city name. Press OK. Let's make a new one for temperature. And then make the type of IO real. And I will make also the comment as temperature. Let's make the access name to be REST API as it is. And then I make the item from SMC here. I will take this name as it is, and I will put it here. Let's make save and close. When I open these graphics that I made, I put that there is a custom properties or there is the animation for every this text box linked to longitude and latitude and country name, city name. I will put it here also the temperature to be as a value display for analog temperature. Okay, save and close. Let's open trial screen or trial window, and I put it here the graphics. Let's go to the runtime and see the result. As you see here, that this longitude and the latitude is the Qina in Egypt. You can change it by changing the longitude. If you make it here 30, it will change automatically to Bani Ghalib, which will be this temperature. Thank you more. See you later in more videos.